Holy heck, this stuff stinks.
Fish paste.
Rachel.
Uh-oh, the challenge is a Chinese challenge. Why did I say fish paste?
That's not quite right. There are a few ingredients here that you already know. But if there's some that you're unsure about, use that sense of smell, look at the ingredient, use your senses.
My strategy going into this challenge is to knock off all the obvious ones so that when we get to the ones that aren't so obvious that I knew about, I was going to have that edge over the other competitors.
I think I'm going to go with the duck.
Correct, duck. Well done.
Interesting. I know a few of these things, but I certainly don't know them all. You smell it, you look at it, and you go, is it really soy sauce? Is it a chili pepper, or is it a dried chili pepper, or a long chili pepper? You want to choose the thing that you're not going to get quizzed on, because if you say it's this, and they say, what type of this is it, and you don't know, you're out. Go with this. Say star anise.
Well done. Great.
There's a few doozies up there.
It's like Russian roulette. One mistake and you're gone.
It's ginger.
Good girl. Great.
There's things in there that I think are a little harder that I definitely know what they are, so I thought I'll leave them and see how the rounds go.
It's spring onions or scallions.
Correct, well done, Sam.
I'm feeling quite nervous. We're not allowed to taste the ingredient. The only thing we can do is look and smell.
I'm gonna go for this one. Chinese cabbage.
Great, I'll take that.
Thank you.
What's that one? Pork fillet.
You are safe for now, friend.
I'll go with the easiest one. Coriander.
Well done.
I see the crab and I'm picking it first because everyone knows that I'm the crab lady. You know, Northern Territorian, I love my crab.
A mud crab.
You've picked my favourite crab, Rachel.
Oh, thank you.
Well done.
There's a few basic ingredients on the table that everybody's avoiding. Hokkien noodles and dried chilies. I think we're just scared that they're called something fancy that we don't know of. Snake beans.
I usually call them yard-long beans, but I will take snake beans.
Thank you very much.
Good on you.
My mind is absolutely racing. I should know all of these ingredients.
Growing up, my mum called them telephones, because this is what telephones used to look like back in the day, but now we call them lotus roots.
Safe again, Stephen.
Like coriander seeds.
You're safe again, Ben.
It's black fungus or cloud ear mushrooms.
Very impressed, Renee. Good on you.
Chinese broccoli.
You got it, Sam.
Yes. Silken tofu.
Get back in that line.
A lapsang or Chinese dried sausage.
Good on you.
Holy heck, this stuff stinks.
Fish paste.
Rachel.
Uh-oh, the challenge is a Chinese challenge. Why did I say fish paste?
That's not quite right.
It's shrimp paste.
So we're going to have to send you through with Dipali.
Okay.
There's one spot left, and there's still a few people in front of me in the line. I'm hoping that somebody makes a huge mistake, because to leave in the first elimination would be devastating.
I think mainly because of the red tinge that this is hoisin.
So you think it's hoisin? It's not hoisin, it's actually char siu sauce.
Okay.
So, mate, I'm sorry, you've got to get over there with the girls.
Oh, girls.
You know what? You'll be fine. You will be fine.
Feeling pretty devastated right now. There was Hawkeye noodles sitting there that I knew the whole time, and black sesame seeds, a few other things. So definitely disappointed that I made a silly choice in the end.